Hello friends, welcome to Shivani tutorial. In this video, I am going to share a very unique and easy method to make a fancy hairstyle. First of all, separate some front hairs with the comb. Now, take some hair from the back side and roll them and give a puff shape. Tuck these hairs with the help of hairpin. Loose these hairs to make a beautiful puff look. Take the front hairs and start making French braid. Come to the downwards hairs and keep on making French braid. Here I am holding the front hairs, also adding the down hairs and making a complete French braid. Bend this French braid towards the left hand side. See? This is how our complete French braid is done. Here I am using white pearls to decorate the hairstyle. You can use any other fancy clip to make this hairstyle more beautiful. So friends, this is how our very easy and unique hairstyle is done. In this video, I am going to show you 1-minute French twist with a stick. First of all, comb your hair so that there is no frizz. Now make a center ponytail with the help of a rubber band. Put your ponytail towards your forehead and put a big hair clutcher. Now leave your hair back and comb again. Gently roll the edge of your ponytail and reverse it inside. Make sure you cover the whole clutcher with the hair and secure the loosened part with a hairpin. Cover all the sides and secure them with hairpin. Here we have our classic French bun ready in just 2 minutes. Today I am showing you side French braid hairstyle. Make French braid from the left side to right side. Continue making French braid by adding some hair from the right side corner. Give a slight curve to your French braid and leave rest of the hair open as it is. Now finish the braid and tuck the remaining loose hairs with the hairpins on the left side corner. Make sure that the pins are tucked properly and neatly. Comb the open hairs and set them on your left shoulder. So this is how we make side French braid hairstyle. Today I am showing you how to make French braid. First of all, comb your hairs and separate some hair for half ponytail. Gently hold half of hairs and divide them into 3 portions and make simple braid. Now carefully add some hairs from the right side and include them in your braid. Similarly, take some hairs from the left side and include them in your braid. Repeat this process. Once the side hairs are finished, complete the braid till end. Now secure your half ponytail hair look with the hair clips. As you can see how beautiful and stylish our French braid is looking. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.